Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the best PDF editor. You heard me right? Basically for now, for me, personally, this is the best PDF editor. And the best part of it, you can use it for free. There's a free trial version of this one. That being said, let's get started right here. And this should be their website. This should be the one you're seeing also on your end. However, the website itself is not the PDF editor. So you need to download it. Simply click on free download right there. And as you can see, it's available for Windows, Microsoft OS, iOS, Android, and so on and so forth. That being said, if you click on free download right there and then install it on your PC, you should be seeing this on your end. Let me just pull up my Wondershare PDFelement over this one. Now, that being said, basically have a PDF opened up. Now, for this discussion purposes, I installed or downloaded the specific workbook or PDF right here. Now, that being said, if you don't want to click it here, you can simply drag and drop your PDF that you downloaded. So for example, I'm going to click on this one and just simply drop it on the PDF editor. As you can see right there, it's fairly easy to open up. This is a sample PDF I got from the internet. Now, the thing I want to highlight on this specific editor is how crisp and how fast the interface is, how organized, how user-friendly it is. It's all in package. And that being said, with this one, you'll see this option. You said edit all. You can simply edit all here, edit text, image, or link. But for now, we're gonna click on edit all, and as you can see right there, once I click on edit all, you saw those text box light up. That means everything here that is editable has been highlighted up. Now, for example, I want to edit a specific text right there. I can just simply highlight it and simply type in sample PDF. Easy as that. Now, where have you find a simple yet very good PDF editor like this one, right? Now, since I already edited the text, how about adding a new photo? So for now, since these are photos, technically, I'm going to remove them. So delete them, basically do that, and delete this specific photo right here. So I'm just going to delete everything here and add the photo. So how can I add the photo? Basically, if you check here on the tools from above, you'll see this edit, comment, convert, and so on and so forth. But for now, I'm gonna with edit and click on add image. For now, I'm just gonna choose a sample image I got from the internet, which is gonna be Gandhi, and simply place it as of now. So I want to highlight before I place this how organized and how smooth the movement or moving Gandhi along the pages. Now, if you want to satisfy there, place it there and minimize it. I've just added the photo. Easy as that. Now, once you added the photo, you can simply click on the properties on the right hand corner and make sure if you want to center horizontally, vertical, or center page. It's really up to you. But basically, just highlight it, hold your left hand corner of your mouse, and simply move along the photo. As so. That being said, I want to show you again how to edit text here. So earlier we already edited the text, right? But for now, how about we edit properly? So let's say here, enhance documents in one click. I want to click here, sample documents in one click. I've chosen this specific statement because I want to highlight how simple and organized this PDF is. And with the click of a button, with a simple few seconds, I have just edited the text. Easy as that. Now, if you choose on comment tab right here, and then you'll see this option that says stamp tool. Because for example, I want to highlight this text. This specific text I just made, I want to highlight it. I want to go in this comment, and then you'll see this stamp tool. Which one? This one right here. So with its stamp tool, you can simply choose on this option that says sign here. You have dynamics, you have standard businesses, you have digital stamps. Basically, it's to highlight something within the PDF. So for example, I want to ask people to sign or initial here. So for now, I'm going to click on initial and basically place it alongside the part where I want them to initialize. So for example, I'm going to set it beside Gandhi. And as you can see right there, it's basically initialized right there. Easy as that. Now, if you double click on the initial button here, you can add a comment for a PDF. So for example, sample comment, This won't be shown up in the PDF itself, however, it will be shown up when people open up specific pages on the PDF. Easy as that. Now, that being said, I want to use now this specific tool that says OCR, which is basically convert scanned PDF files to editable unsearchable text. Basically editing a photo and then getting it to edit the text. So this is going to be the second sample of PDF I got, which has, as you can see right there are photos inside this PDF. Technically, you cannot edit these photos as so, but with this PDF editor, you can edit it as it is. So for example, I want to edit a specific template, or rather a specific content of a photo. I just want to click on this option. Again, this is going to be under home button. It's going to be OCR, or basically convert scanned PDF files to editable or searchable text. So if I click on this one, you'll see this option. Let's go scan to editable text. Make sure you click on that. And current page for this one will be this specific page. If you want to choose every pages on the PDF, simply click on all pages. If you have a range or specific pages, click on this one. But for now, I'm going to go with current page and choose English. Click on apply. And as you can see right there, it has a premium privileges. So this specific feature, OCR, is for premium users. But for now, I'm still having the trial version, only supports previewing OCR effect. I'm good with that. Click on continue. And it's going to be processing. So with this one, as you can see, you can edit specific items on the specific photo. For example, this one right here, let's edit it as it is. So again, sample text on a photo. Easy as that. Now, personally right now, I'm really amazed at how powerful, how easy this PDF editor is. You just edit the photo like it's nothing. It's just like a Word document. Now, that being said, if I edit the photo right there, that's going to be this OCR. And take note, it opened a new tab. This is not the previous document we had. This is the one before, right? And right now we have this one, which is going to be under OCR document. Now, for example, I'm satisfied with this, satisfied with that. I'm going to go back here on this specific document, and then you'll see this option that says AI. Now for the AI, it should be around here. For example, let me just check this one out. Choose this one, AI sidebar, and you'll have Lumi. So your AI assistant, please feel free to ask me any questions about this specific document. So let's do it as it is. Make sure you click on chat with PDF. And for example, let's ask her or him or it, the AI, to summarize this specific document. So please summarize this document with 2 or rather 3 maximum sentences. Easy as that. So click on enter. So please save changes before appearing. Click on save. Let me just save with watermark because this is a free trial. So trial does not support OCR. So with this sample, I will put it on another PDF for this AI option. So for now, let me just choose specific page number 2. This would be it. And ask AI to summarize it. So please summarize page number 2 with 3 sentences. Let me just check if it will work. Because page number exceeds the limit, trial users can upload documents with up to 3 pages. So let me just remove certain pages here. To do that, simply click on organize. Click on delete button. Let me just remove some pages because we're still in the trial period. And go back to the home tab. And that being said, click on enter. So please save. Let me just save it as of now. So save with watermark because this is a free trial. As so, click on save. And let's wait for the magic to happen with AI. So that being said, as of now, it's still summarizing. As you can see right there, page number 2, work anytime and anywhere with flexible switch. Easy as that. So we've just got a text summarize. To add it up, simply click on add text over here. Now for example, I want to add it on this part of the pages. Click on it. Let me just highlight this one. Again, it's actually not working properly there. There you go. I'm just going to copy the one that AI gave us. So simply click on copy. Go to the text, simply click on paste. Now with this one, we can just simply fix it as it is. So if I wanted to have a little bit smaller font, do that, and then basically with this one, you can click on specific highlighter, click on edit, click on home, and simply choose a specific color for your text. Easy as that. Now that being said, we've just used AI to give us a summarize on this specific PDF. Now, with that being said, I want you to focus now on organize, since earlier you saw me remove a text, right? So for example, I want this specific text to go up front. I want to simply click on it and then hover it on the first part. Now if I go back to Home tab, the first page would be the one I edited. Easy as that. So for example, I'm done with this, and then I want to save it or convert it to PDF, Word, or other any document type. Simply click on convert, and then you can choose to Word, to Excel, to PowerPoint. You can even convert it to image, text, or PDFA. It's really up to you. So I want to convert it to Word. Simply click on this one, click on save. Now see with watermark, and right now it's asking us where to save this specific folder. So simply click on OK, click on continue. Now it's opening it up in a Word document. This will take around 5 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Right now this is going to be the Word document of a specific PDF that if you converted, and as of now it's basically sendable. You can send it to a client as your Word document. That being said, I want to go back to the PDF editor and I want to highlight this specific section that says protect. So under protect, you can request e-sign or e-signature in this specific document. So if you click on this one, and then request e-sign is technically for premium users, or rather premium subscribers, but for now we can still see it. So click on the continue, and then right now this is going to be your editing platform for the e-signature request. And right now I've just added a specific email, a dumb email that I have to request an e-sign. For example, the message right here, please sign the document. And then settings, send email in order, set a reminder if you want to send it frequently. Simply click on this one. You can choose every day, every week, every business day. It's really up to you. Simply click on next. Now for the prepare, this is going to be basically choosing where to sign. So if you're satisfied with the top part, simply click on it and click on send. Easy as that. And that being said, if you send this one, it will email your recipients with that specific request. So go back to agreement list if you want to check who are now signing. So on this part of the video or this part of the PDF editor, under agreement, you can check, basically open up the document and see who already signed it. Easy as that. So since I don't have access to my other email yet, I cannot really sign it. But for now, you can really check who signed it on this part of the video, rather on this part of the PDF. And that being said, that's how you use this new PDF, the best editor right now. Basically, for me, Wondershare PDFelement is the one to go. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.